Hey guys, it's Harley Quincy again.
And it's Dad again. Today Quincy is going to review set number 41239, Eclipso Dark Palace.
This is what it looks like put together, and this comes with the invisible jet, and that it comes with this little bad guy with this little record. And some things that this does is you can turn this up so that can open, and these can open. This rocket ship can come off, and like when you turn it, and you can put this back on. And you can turn this around, and it has this that can hold her staff. And you can open these, and some of the stuff, it's like her, like other kinds of makeup stuff, and her lava tub. And you can close these back on, and you can put this back on, and you can close this door, and you can open this, and you have to turn this over so guys can see. You can kind of you can open those so the superheroes can like go in. I'll show you. Okay, so you can get like Wonder Woman, and you can like put her standing in there. And her powers can get sucked up to charge this. And some of the power can, I have to get her out of the spaceship. And, she can stand.
Oop. Her hair came off. Bad hair day.
Oh, and some stuff that this can do is that there are little guns right there and fire out the back that turns, and you can actually
shoot my hand.
Shoot them. So that's a really fun set.
Shoot it this way.
And also shoot that one. So I'm gonna show you the characters. This is Flash. This is Wonder Woman, this is Eclipso, and I'll show you what these guns do. So, there are two, and you can like move it around, and they can shoot, and these are the two bad guys.
I don't think they can see you, Quincy. So did you like this set?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because there's a spaceship.
You like the spaceship? Do you like it because it has a lot of fun things you can do? Okay. And we think this set might be retired already, or it's retiring soon. So what are we gonna do? Oh, yep. So what does Eclipso's ship have?
Guns, and we forgot to do it.
So Eclipso's ship has guns too on the sides right here that can shoot.
Yep.
And like Quincy showed you, all the fun things, especially that it closes up like that. That was one of her favorite things. What are we going to do?
Gonna give you a link down below where to get it, and subscribe if you like.
Yep. Please subscribe if you like the videos. Going to be a whole lot more to come. Thanks, everybody.
See you later, Brick Buddies.